I'm Selna Kim, America's face of dating, and today I'm going to give you one simple tactic to make her chase you. And so, why is it important that a woman chases the man? And here's why. It's because 97%, probably even more, of the majority of men out there are chasing the woman in conversation, and it's turning women off. They're in the conversation trying to prove to her why they're a good option, right? They're trying to show off for her, or they're trying to do something to get her to like them. But the conversations where the woman is the most turned on, the most excited, the most ready to go, are the conversations when she's chasing the man. And a lot of women and a lot of people don't even know why that is. Why do women like it better when they are the ones that are chasing the man? It is because they are naturally hardwired to chase the man. Okay? That's just how they are naturally made. Man is supposed to chase their mission, their purpose. That is masculine energy. While women want to chase bonding, connecting, love, and romance. And that's why they get so excited when they're chasing the man, because it gives them something to work for. That's like their mission. That's what they're working for. And so here's what happens like in conversation. Let's say like your whole world, like you love rock music. That's your favorite kind of music. But you meet a girl whose whole world is country music. A lot of men, they will change what they love to please her. Basically, they'll be like, oh yeah, I love country music too. But what they just did in that moment is that they qualified themselves to her. Basically, they told her in conversation that they're chasing her. That is what qualifying themselves means. And in that moment when he's like, oh yeah, I love country music too. And when she's talking, everything she says that she likes, he's like, oh yeah, me too. Me too. Oh yeah, I like that too. It's turning her off. And women don't know why that is. But it's because indirectly he's telling her, I'm chasing you in this conversation. I'm showing you all of my cards, all of my interests. And women need mystery. They need something to work for. That is what attracts women. And a lot of guys just do not understand that. And so one simple trick to use in conversation is like the old school mystery method, where he would go up to a girl and he'd be like, yeah, like, you're a really pretty girl, right? Like, you were telling her, yeah, you're attractive, you're pretty. But you take it away then. You're just like, but what are like things, like if you couldn't say your looks, what are things that would make a man want to get to know you, like internally, right? And then she's like, okay, like if she's used to getting validated for her beauty, then basically she has to dig deeper to find something else that's like a challenge. It's a challenge to get her to qualify herself to you, basically. Like she's working for you now. She's like, oh gosh, like my beauty doesn't impress him. Now he's a challenge. Now I have to work for him. Now I have to dig deeper and pull something else out that is going to impress this guy. And so if she starts to tell you things that would normally impress men, that should impress you, then she is chasing you in the conversation, which subconsciously she's telling herself, if I'm chasing him, if I'm working for him, then he must have value. I must be attracted to him, which makes her attraction level go up. And so just use that simple technique. And if she gives you something bland like, oh, like I have a puppy, right? You're just like, oh my gosh, like you're so fucking lame, right? And like you tease her on that, like you pull it away, like you keep making her work for you. That is where a lot of men go wrong in conversation. And so make sure that you apply that technique and keep that knowledge in the back of your head, because it will be useful for the rest of your entire life. And I'm Selna Kim. Let me know in the comments down below what you want to hear more of, what questions you want to have answered. And I will see you next time.